Hello, in front of me I've got Nokia X30. In this video I'll show you how to enter File Manager. In the beginning, let's search for Files app and enter it. As you can see from the Files app, you've got access to your internal storage, apps, documents and others, audio, video, images, downloads, and also you can check your recent selection. Next, you can go to Save Folder, Favorites, and then you can clean junk files. Next, you can go to Nearby Share, thanks to which you can send and receive files. And from the menu you can go to Settings, Help and Feedback, and Trash. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.